Welcome back to Learn BC. We're talking about customer posting groups. This is every posting group that's applicable for transactions from the customer card. So we've been talking about the mystery of Business Central's posting setups, and today we're going to put special focus on these three posting groups and where they appear on the customer card. Let's take a look in Business Central and then we'll come back. So from a list of customers, I'm clicking on Add Item. You can see here I've already hidden the general registration and address. All I'm interested in is the invoicing tab. And here over on the right, there we go, it's loaded. You can see three posting groups. So you've got the general business posting group, you've got the tax or VAT, GST business posting group, and you've got the customer posting group. So these three posting groups determine the customer's posting behavior. All right, let's go back to the slide. So from here, from that customer, when you're posting documents, you effectively create a posting outcome which uses these posting setups. Okay, so from here, we're going to look at the general business posting group. So as we've talked in earlier videos, this actually combines in the posting setup based on the general product posting group. We've got the tax business posting group, which again, the tax posting setup combines with the tax product posting groups, and between the two determines the outcome for postings. And then you've got the customer posting groups, which effectively turns around and tells us, there's no combination required. It's not a matrix, but it will turn around and follow the settings that are against the customer's card. So let's roll backwards and just talk through them. This will determine where our revenue and costs will sit. Fairly straightforward. This will determine how we handle on the document taxation. And this will determine where customer balances, credits, etc. are holding on your balance sheet. Again, please like, share, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. Thank you.